The RepairDesk Trade-In module allows you to buy devices from customers and then track the item status if any refurbishing is needed before adding it to your inventory as a ready-to-sell item. Let's take a look at the process now. To access the Trade-In section, click on the Inventory tab in the header menu. Then select Manage Inventory and choose Trade-In from the drop-down menu. On the Trade-In page, you can view all your trade-in purchases and search for specific transactions using the search filter. To add a new trade-in purchase, click on the Purchase button at the top right corner. First, you'll need to enter the seller's details. To enter the seller's details, hit New. And a pop-up screen will open where you can enter details. Once the seller's details are entered, you can add the trade-in items to your purchase. Click on Add Line Item and fill in the product and price details, such as the item name, the IMEI, manufacturer, model, device precondition, cost, and the retail price. Please note that it is mandatory to input the item name. Before you complete the purchase, we recommend uploading an identity document, such as a driver's license, and also collecting your customer's signature as proof to save yourself from buying stolen devices. We recommend using an iPad to collect signatures using the customer-facing display widget. Now, click on Purchase, and you can choose to pay for half a transaction with cash and the remaining balance with PayPal. Select your profile. Input the 4-digit PIN number to verify your profile. Once a transaction is completed, you can print a purchase receipt and a device link. That's it. You've successfully purchased a pre-owned phone using RepairDesk's Trade-In module. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing your repair business. Thanks for watching.